How to remove yourself from Facebook page as an admin. If any day any of you are a Facebook user and you would like to remove yourself as a page admin from your very Facebook page, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to launch Facebook on your mobile device. You have to make sure that you are logged into your Facebook page there. After that, you have to go to your profile like icon, and then you can see an interface like this. Here you have to tap on the option of the settings and privacy, then go to the option of settings. After going to the option of settings, now you can see an interface like this. Now here in the search icon, what you have to search is page roles. After you search on the page roles, now you can see an interface like this. Here you have to tap on the option of the page access. After tapping on the page access, now you can see the interface like this. You have to go to the three dots on the option there, and then what you have to do is you have to go to the option of remove from page. After you tap on the option of the remove from page, you will just be removed from the role of admin as well. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.